Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video I will show you how to download and install the ES5 Manager or Explorer on your Android TV without using downloader. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, this is how to install the ES5 Explorer without using downloader. We are going to be using this application called APK Time. Now, if you don't know how to get APK Time on your Android TV without downloader, in the description of this video, there is a guide that I've added that is going to help you on installing the APK Time to your Android TV without a download application. So watch it now and install the APK Time. After installing APK Time, launch it, and this is how to install the ES5. Come over to the option that says entertainment, and no, not the option. Go over to the option that says essentials, please. And in that option, you are going to see the ES5 Explorer. So here is it over here. It is currently downloading. Just come over here, click on download, and then it's going to start downloading. Once it's done downloading, you can then install it to your Android TV. So this is my Android TV I'm using. So this is only going to work on Android TV, please. So once it's done downloading, just give it a second. Then you can go ahead and install to our Android TV. So the application is downloaded. Now can click on install and then install the application to our Android TV. And that's how to download and install the ES5 Explorer to our Android TV without using downloader. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.